Hey there, culinary champs and food enthusiasts. Introducing the Level 2 Food Hygiene and Safety for Catering course. This CPD certified course is specially designed for you food retailers, restaurant owners, chefs, servers, food handlers, catering staff. This course will help you spot the villains of the kitchen, the causes and risks of poor food hygiene. And we'll unravel the mysteries of UK food laws, so you'll never have to fear the food inspector again. You'll learn how to prevent the spread of bacteria in your dishes and master the art of food safety. We'll stress the importance of cleanliness, because nobody wants a hair in their soup. Last but not least, you'll learn to use HACCP as your trusty sidekick, helping you navigate the culinary world with confidence. Join us today, and let's make the world a safer and tastier place, one dish at a time.